Welcome back to SK Luxury Autos BTHE new 2026 GMC 6x6 Armored Camper. A monster camper built for those who refuse to compromise between adventure, safety, and luxury. This is not just a camper. This is a fortress on 6 wheels. From the moment you see the 2026 GMC 6x6 Armored Camper, you know this is something special. The massive stance, towering ground clearance, and triple-axle setup make it look like a military transport vehicle that accidentally wandered into the luxury RV segment. With its aggressive front grille, reinforced bumpers, armored body panels, and monster off-road tires, this camper is designed to dominate every terrain on Earth. The 6x6 drivetrain is the heart of this beast. Unlike regular 4x4 campers, this machine sends power to all 6 wheels, giving it insane traction and stability. Whether you're crawling over rocks, pushing through deep sand, climbing snowy mountain passes, or crossing muddy jungle tracks, this camper just keeps moving forward like a tank. Under the hood, GMC packs a monstrous turbo diesel engine that produces massive torque, making it capable of hauling heavy loads without breaking a sweat. This power plant is tuned not just for speed, but for unstoppable pulling power. When you're driving a fully armored camper that weighs several tons, torque is everything, and this machine has plenty of it. The reinforced chassis is built to handle extreme conditions. Heavy-duty suspension, military-grade axles, adaptive dampers, and an advanced traction control system work together to keep this monster planted on any surface. Even on broken roads or no roads at all, the ride remains surprisingly stable and controlled. But what truly sets this camper apart is its armored construction. The entire body is protected with ballistic-grade armor plating. The doors are reinforced, the windows are made from multi-layer bullet-resistant glass, and the underbody is shielded to protect against explosions, landmines, and sharp rocks. This is the kind of protection you normally see on VIP security vehicles and military transports. In a world where overland travel is becoming more extreme and adventurous, safety is just as important as capability. Whether you're crossing remote deserts, deep forests, or politically unstable regions, the 2026 GMC 6x6 Armored Camper ensures that you and your family stay protected at all times. And yet, step inside, and everything changes. The moment you enter the cabin, the rugged military vibe transforms into pure luxury. This camper is designed for elite travelers, adventure seekers, and explorers who demand comfort even in the most remote corners of the planet. The interior is fully insulated and climate-controlled, keeping you comfortable in extreme heat or freezing cold. Soft ambient lighting, premium leather seating, and real wood or carbon fiber finishes create an atmosphere that feels more like a luxury yacht than a camper. The living area features a spacious lounge with plush sofas, a large dining table, and panoramic armored windows that let you enjoy breathtaking views while staying completely safe. Whether you're parked on a cliff overlooking the ocean or deep in a forest, you'll experience nature without sacrificing security. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances including an induction cooktop, microwave oven, refrigerator, freezer, coffee machine, and plenty of storage for long expeditions. You can cook full meals in the middle of nowhere like you're in a high-end apartment. The bedroom is a private sanctuary. A king-size bed with memory foam mattress, smart lighting, personal climate controls, and entertainment screens ensure that after a long day of driving through rough terrain, you can relax in absolute comfort. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a full-size shower, hot water system, vacuum toilet, and modern vanity. Thanks to large water tanks and advanced filtration systems, you can stay off-grid for weeks without worrying about supplies. This camper is also a technological powerhouse. It comes equipped with a massive solar power system on the roof, backed by high-capacity lithium batteries and a diesel generator. This means you can run air conditioning, lighting, kitchen appliances, and entertainment systems even when you're far away from civilization. There's also a satellite internet system, allowing you to stay connected anywhere on the planet. Whether you're working remotely, uploading travel videos, or staying in touch with family, this camper keeps you online even in the middle of a desert. Navigation is handled by an advanced GPS system with off-road mapping, terrain scanning, and route planning. Multiple cameras give you a 360-degree view around the vehicle, making it easier to maneuver this massive machine through tight trails and narrow mountain roads. Security is next level. The camper includes biometric door locks, night vision cameras, motion sensors, perimeter alarms, and even a panic room-style safe zone inside the cabin. In emergency situations, you can lock down the entire vehicle and turn it into a rolling bunker. Some versions even offer run-flat tires, fire suppression systems, and air filtration units designed to protect against smoke, dust, and chemical threats. This is survival engineering taken to the extreme. Despite its size, driving the 2026 GMC 6x6 armored camper is surprisingly manageable. The power steering, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and automatic transmission make long highway journeys smooth and relaxed. When you leave the highway and head into the wild, selectable drive modes adjust the suspension, throttle response, and traction settings for sand, mud, snow, or rock crawling. This is a vehicle built for people who want to go where no ordinary camper can ever reach. Imagine crossing the Sahara Desert with total confidence. Imagine driving across the frozen landscapes of Ladakh. Imagine exploring dense jungles, high-altitude passes, and remote coastlines, all while carrying your luxury home with you. This camper turns impossible journeys into comfortable adventures. Of course, a machine like this doesn't come cheap. The 2026 GMC 6x6 armored camper is built for ultra-high-end buyers, adventure millionaires, security-conscious travelers, and elite explorers. Depending on customization, armor level, and interior configuration, prices can easily cross into the multi-million-dollar range. But for those who can afford it, this is not just a vehicle. It's a statement that says you are ready for any road, any country, any terrain, and any situation. In a world where travel is evolving, where people want to go further, stay longer, and explore deeper, the 2026 GMC 6x6 armored camper represents the future of extreme luxury overlanding. It's not just about reaching your destination. It's about surviving the journey, enjoying the ride, and living in comfort wherever you go. So if you're someone who dreams of crossing continents, conquering wild landscapes, and living off-grid in complete safety and luxury, this armored beast might just be your ultimate travel machine. The 2026 GMC 6x6 armored camper is more than a camper. It's a rolling fortress, a luxury apartment, and an unstoppable explorer, all built into one insane machine on 6 wheels. And honestly, once you see it, nothing else feels powerful enough.